jeez. Are you helping Grandma make the noodles? What are you doing?
He's doing the tossing. Noodles have to be tossed, don't you know?
There you go. Throw them right back onto the dough. Jake, are you making noodles? Can you say noodles? Jakey, can you say noodles? Noodles.
Noodles.
Did you spill some water on yourself? Uh-huh, that's water. So they're not supposed to be passed back onto the dough, but we tried to tell Jake that 4 times. He's not listening. There you go. You are such a big help.
Oh, you're the tosser. You're the noodle tosser. Every noodle has to have a tosser. Yeah. Is that right? Okay. All right.
There you go. You're such a big help.
Yes, you are. Tossing those noodles just like a pro.
What you got there, Jake? What is that?
Noodle. Say noodle.
Jakey, can you say noodle?
Can you say noodle?
No, can you say noodle?
Noodle.
Oh, it's going to be a good Thanksgiving.
Jake tossing the noodles.
Surprised he's not trying to eat one. I probably shouldn't say that.